Manta at SeaWorld San Diego is one of the greatest family coasters I have ever ridden. It is so much fun. You could make the argument that it's family thrill, but it's either way, it's a fantastic roller coaster, and I love it. It's one of the roller coasters that made me a Mack Rides fanboy. So today we're going to take a ride on it together. Before we get started, please like this video, please leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. The push for 10,000 subscribers is on. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you so much for the support. Before we get started, we're going to use a POV that I shot almost a year ago. So if you'd like to watch the POV without me yapping over it, I'm going to link it right here. So when you dispatch, you're going to go straight into like a black void, which is kind of funny. This roller coaster has a projection sequence at the beginning of the ride experience, which is very unique. Not a lot of roller coasters have that. For a vast majority of the year, it's going to be an underwater, like aquatic section, obviously, which makes sense for SeaWorld. During holiday time, they have like snow and like Santa Claus's sleigh and all that jazz. There's supposed to be a cover there to hide the sunlight, but when this POV was shot, it was not working, unfortunately. The train does that rocking back and forth motion, which is kind of funny. We should take off in a second. Right before that happens, here we are. The projections line up with it, and then this launch is pretty weak. Mack Rides is notorious for weak launches. That drop has some nice airtime in the back. This is by far the most forceful part of the ride, which is a little shaky. This airtime hill is very fun in the front and the back. This pop right here is better in the front than it is in the back. And these are some fun transitions leading into the second launch. You have a great view of the rapids ride down there. The second half is over a plain grass field, which is a much bigger downgrade. That launch is more forceful than the first one. That turn is also pretty forceful. That leads you into some trims. And then this is my favorite part of the ride right here. That's an awesome twisted airtime moment. It's so much fun. You can see the train shaking a little bit. Manta isn't glass smooth, but it's still very fun. And those turns aren't the most notable thing ever before you hit the final brakes. So overall, this ride experience is very fun. You have some great moments of airtime. You have some great moments of positive G-forces. The launches are very fun, and it's very well themed. Obviously, the first half more so than the second half. The first half has that awesome rock work that the roller coaster track just wraps around, so it's so much fun. Plus, I love these restraints. They do come down on you, but it's not restrictive of airtime. You still feel the forces, and it's very comfortable. So I am a big fan of Manta at SeaWorld San Diego. Please let me know what you think of this roller coaster down in the comments below. Please like this video, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will catch you later.